Babe, are you sure you don't want Dr. Shaft to crack your back? He's the best chiropractor in the valley.
Nah, I'm good. I don't believe in chiropractors.
All right, I'm gonna crack your back in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Dr. Shaft.
How'd that feel?
So good.
There's no way it felt that good.
I'm gonna need you to turn over here. Yup, that's it. Fantastic. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, Dr. Shaft. That feels so good.
Really tight.
All right, this is a little much. There's no way it felt that good.
I need you up here. Spread these legs open. Arms back there. I'm gonna crack in 3, 2.
Oh my God. Oh, Dr. Shaft, you're so good with your hands.
Okay, that's it. There's no way that feels that good. Let me try.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
Dr. Shaft.